Hello everybody, it's Dave Taylor at CyberHost Pro with today's tutorial, and I want to show you something today called Google Internet Stats. Now you might think when we do these tutorial videos, you think to yourself, well, is this really as big as we think it is? Is the web still growing as fast as it did? Is it still going to be as big a deal for my business in 2 years or 5 years time? Well, if you're asking yourself any of those questions, then I'd invite you to get over to have a look at this site from Google as regularly as you can. And just put in the URL for you there and blow it up a bit. There we go. That's where you need to go, and you'll find this screen. And it's a collection that Google makes of internet-based statistics, and I'm just clicked on macro trends on this left-hand navigation, macro trends for the UK, and what you'll find is some fascinating statistics about the way that we're using the net, how much is being spent on the net, what companies are spending on advertising on the net, etc. Now, just take some random ones here. 20% of consumers plan to spend more on clothes in 2010, almost twice the proportion who spent more in 2009. And up the top here, record spend online ad spend in 2011 reached a new high of £2,200 million of online advertising spend. That is a phenomenal amount of money, and it's only going to keep going up. And if you look through these ads, you start to get a real impression about how trends are changing, what is happening on the mobile market. That is certainly booming in terms of shopping and commerce on mobile devices. If I click on not technology and then on mobile, for example, you'll get some real interesting ones, like here, 1 in 4 Starbucks payments are from a mobile device in North America, and what tends to happen there tends to happen here a little bit later, so it won't be too long before we're paying for our cappuccinos using our mobile phones. This one here is about the number of Android apps downloaded in the first weekend of December. 10 billion downloads of apps on Android. That is unbelievable. And again, scrolling down, you see a whole load of interesting statistics about mobile devices. And similarly, you've got statistics for consumer trends, media consumption, and the media landscape. But if we just take consumer trends, and let's have a look at social media. 240 million hours spent watching online video content, of which 184 million hours was on YouTube, and that was in October 2011, so no doubt that's gone up. 140 million tweets sent a day, again that was in 2011. So these need updating a little bit, but they're still a fascinating insight into what's going on in the wider macro landscape of the internet, and it should really give you some inspiration and ideas about where your business should be going and what you can be doing with your business to fit in with these trends. So take a look at the site, that's where you'll find it. Maybe if I just took that down a little bit, it would be helpful. There we go. That's where you find it, or you can just search on Google for Google Internet Stats and you'll find it there as well. So that's it for today. We'll see you very soon for another tutorial from CyberHost Pro, helping UK business get the best from the web. Bye for now.